In his latest Mann Ki Baat broadcast, Prime Minister Narendra Modi framed Operation Sindoor not only as a military success but as a catalyst for socio-economic transformation within India. The cross-border strike against terror camps in Pakistan has triggered a wave of nationalistic sentiment that is manifesting in consumer behavior and lifestyle choices. Modi highlighted a discernible shift toward economic nationalism, with citizens increasingly opting for domestically produced goods, ranging from toys to ceremonial items, and favoring domestic wedding destinations over international ones. This behavioral shift, he argued, aligns closely with the broader policy vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Prime Minister emphasized the strategic importance of indigenous defense capabilities, noting that Indian-made weapons and technology played a critical role in the operation's success. The courage of our soldiers was amplified by the strength of equipment made in India, suggesting that domestic research and development and manufacturing ecosystems are beginning to deliver tangible returns on investment in the defense sector. From an economic standpoint, this messaging reinforces ongoing efforts to stimulate domestic demand, reduce import dependency, and promote local supply chains. The symbolic naming of newborns after Sindoor in various regions, from Katihar in Bihar to Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh, was cited as an example of how deeply Operation Sindoor has penetrated public consciousness. The PM concluded by reiterating the role of national security in shaping economic confidence. The precision and success of the operation had bolstered global perception of India's military capability and added fresh momentum to the international fight against terrorism, an indirect boon to investor confidence and strategic partnerships.